2020 has been a rough year for many people due to the current pandemic, but even at that, some people believe that 2020 is the year of divine blessing. So today, we are going to talk about Nigerian celebrities who bought house recently despite the current pandemic. But before then, if you are new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozy, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram, just follow me there. So let's get right into the video.
It's a boy Ejimozy. It's a boy Ejimozy. The boy Ejimozy. It's a boy Ejimozy. Yeah, yeah, nah. Oh, my lover, never leave you lonely. Always stay by your side, never leave you lonely.
Peruzzi. In January 2020, Nigerian singer Tobechukwu Victor Oko, popularly known as Peruzzi, acquired a house in an undisclosed area in Lagos. The DMW singer took to his Instagram story to share beautiful pictures of his house that had a handful member of DMW crew members in it. This was coming after the singer was dragged by his record label boss, Patrick, who alleged that Peruzzi signed DMW record while he was still with his record label. Water Anga. In January 2020, Nigerian actor Water Anga joined the list of homeowners in the Nigerian entertainment industry. The filmmaker recently took to his Instagram page to share the pictures of his new acquired mansion. Interestingly, the huge house is also located in a street named after the actor. On the video he shared on his page, he thanked God for the numerous blessings in his caption. "My God constantly humbles me with blessings, favor, and now this, when God Almighty is your pillar." Eve Essen. In February, Nollywood actress Eve Essen took to her social media page to show off her newly completed house. The film star shared the videos of the impressive building, saying that she dedicated the house to her late mom, Mrs. Mary Patrick Essen. In a touching note penned on her Instagram page, the actress said that her mother passed on 15 years ago and she is now finally able to give her the honor she deserves. Eve Essen added that the deal is to continue making her mother proud. Zubby Michael. In August 2020, Nollywood actor Zubby Michael showed off the house he was building in Lagos. The house, which was still under construction, was inspected by fellow Nollywood actors like Ike Ogbonna, Mike Ezuronye, Alex Ekubo, and many more. It could be recalled that 2 years ago, Zubby Michael built a house in Asaba Delta State in the southern part of Nigeria, which worth millions of naira. So this year, he's now building his Lekki Lagos house. Actually, the actor has recorded himself as one of the richest and influential actors in Nigeria. Naira Marley. Nigerian singer Naira Marley has gotten himself a choice property in Lagos. The music singer took to his Instagram story on 9 July 2020 where he shared pictures of the house. Now, the music star joined the list of Nigerian celebrities with expensive houses in Lagos. In the post, he revealed that the new acquisition was his fifth house in Lagos. Recall that in May 2020, Naira Marley gifted his younger brother a mansion. Interestingly, the Sopi crooner did not update this information on his social media page, but his younger brother did. His younger brother, who goes by the name Shudifond, shared the photos of the house on his Instagram page. Other celebrities like Pukoli also congratulated him. Makinde Aziz. Popular Nigerian blogger Makinde Aziz recently has multiple reasons to thank the Lord for his blessings. The blogger, who owns NigerLoaded.com, recently dedicated his newborn baby as he unveils new mansion. Makinde shared pictures of his blessings as he thanked God for them to his fans. The young blogger also shared pictures of his mansion, and fans could not help but to gush over it on the comment section. Skibi. Popular Nigerian singer Skibi is a happy man right now as he acquired new building for his birthday. In August 2020, the singer took to his Instagram page to show off the new house he has built. The photos he shared on the social media platform came with the caption, "Double celebration, birthday and new crib." Davido. Nigerian singer Davido got himself a new mansion in Banana Island earlier this year. In a series of videos shared on his Instagram stories on Friday 29th May 2020, Davido took his friends on a guided tour of his new home. The mansion, which is located in an exclusive highbrow area of Lagos, has a variety of interesting features. One outstanding feature of Davido's new mansion is the private lift. In one of the photos he shared, Davido stated that he has always wanted a home with a private lift. We guess he put his money where his mouth is. It is not clear how much the mansion cost, but houses in the area of Banana Island cost billions of naira. Iyabo Ojo. In July 2020, Nollywood actress Iyabo Ojo acquired a mansion in Choice area in Lagos. The house is located in Lekki County, Lagos State. Her daughter, Priscilla, announced the news on her Instagram page. Priscilla posted the picture of the new mansion on her Instagram page and accompanied it with a congratulatory message to her mother. Sharing the post, she said, "Whoosh! Congratulations on your brand new house, Mama. I'm so happy. Iyabo Ojo, you deserve it. I can finally say we have a house." Shortly after her daughter broke the news on her social media page, Iyabo Ojo took to her page to officially share the news with her fans and followers. The actress posted the same photo shared by her daughter. In her caption, she extended her appreciation to God for coming through for her. Thatcher. In April 2020, former Big Brother Naija housemate Thatcher said that she has gotten house for herself in Port Harcourt, Rivers State. Thatcher was one of the housemates from the 4th edition of the reality TV show. The Big Brother Naija star, while on a live video chat with Pete Okoye of defunct P Square, that's Mr. P, revealed that she has gotten a new crib in Port Harcourt.
How true? Port Harcourt, how true? How true?
It's true. It's true, actually.
She got the
I
house.
just don't want to spill. I really don't think it's time for me to spill.
See, Tasha,
Yeah.
but I'm happy for you, sure. I'm happy. Congratulations.
Okay.
You know,
Omo Bruce. Nollywood actress Tosin Abiola, popularly known as Omo Bruce, has acquired a new mansion in Lekki to celebrate her 40th birthday. Her colleague in the movie industry, Iyabo Ojo, who recently acquired her own mansion, was the one that made the announcement on her Instagram page. According to Iyabo Ojo, Omo Bruce got her own house few months before she got hers, but waited to get hers before she announced her own. The Nigerian-based actress did not hesitate to disclose how close her friendship with Tosin has become, how they had stood for each other through thick and thin. Bolanle Ninalowo. Handsome Nollywood actor Bolanle is no doubt a ladies' man, but it is obvious that his heart belongs only to his woman, that's his wife. Just recently, the Nollywood actor revealed on his social media page that he has gifted his wife a mansion in Lagos. According to Bolanle, a property company promised him a house after he has worked with them as their brand ambassador for many years. And after 9 months, they fulfilled their promise. Rather than keeping the house for himself, Bolanle presented the house to his wife instead. Ehi Obebo. Ehi Obebo is the owner of Seavet Interior. The entrepreneur gifted herself a 7-bedroom mansion to celebrate her 35th birthday on June 15, 2020. In a video she shared on her Instagram page, Ehi said that she started her house project in December 2018 and completed it under a year and 6 months. Congratulations to her.
for real, man. For real, man. Classic is a classic home, baby.
This is your room, baby.
Classic, baby. Are you hearing it? My own room, baby. Can you see?
Man on soft.
Yeah, for real, man. With so many classic G stars in the building, baby.
Small bumper upstairs, small couch. Small couch bench.
This green as a now we dey here.
Now we I am very proud of this boy. Zubi, I'm proud of you.
You the boss.
Nabji. Set down. Interstate.
Bad days. I'm good. Why did you guys?
With too much. I want to go. Bye.
Fresh. No trouble, the food will come in.
Thank you very much for having time to watch my video to the end. I have a question for you in the comment section. Which of these Nigerian celebrity houses is your favorite? Drop your opinion in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. Thank you very much and God bless you.